First, check out Productive Peter. This channel earns up to $1K per month just by uploading simple short videos. And it's not the only one. Channels like Easy Actually, Pencilmation, and Rico Animation are getting millions of views. Rico Animation alone is estimated to earn around $4K per month, all from simple Stickman animation videos like this.
That's it! Tomorrow changes everything! Five more minutes.
So, let's get started and learn how to create videos just like these, completely free. To get started, I'll give you this prompt document. First, take a screenshot of the Stickman animation because we'll use it as our reference image later. Now, copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT with upload the reference image. Instantly, it'll generate 10 unique story ideas. Just pick the one you like. I'm going with story 2. Next, type in how long you want your video to be, and that's it. ChatGPT will generate everything for you, including the image prompts, image to video prompts, voiceover script, and a complete scene-by-scene plan. Now it's time to turn these prompts into images and then convert those images into videos. The best part is we'll do everything completely free using Google Flow. So let's open Google Flow and get started. Search for Google Flow on Google and open the first official website. Once you're there, click the Create with Google Flow button. After Flow opens, click New Project to create a new project, and we're ready to start generating our images. Now, go back to ChatGPT and copy the image generation prompt. Then, switch back to Google Flow and paste the prompt into the prompt box. Next, set the image aspect ratio to 9:16 and choose Nano Banana 2 as the image model. After that, upload the reference image we saved earlier. Then press enter. In just a few seconds, AI will generate a high-quality Stickman image based on your prompt and the reference image. Now, copy the prompt for the second clip and paste it into Google Flow. This time, we'll use the image we generated in the previous step as our reference. To do that, simply click Add to Prompt on the previously generated image. It will automatically be added as a reference, helping the AI maintain the same character style and consistency throughout the animation. Oh no! I just ran into an error, and you might see the same thing while generating your images. Don't worry, this is a common issue, and it's very easy to fix. Simply clear your browser's cache, cookies, and browsing history from the last 24 hours, then reopen Google Flow and try again. In most cases, the problem will be fixed, and you can continue generating your images without any issues. Now, repeat the same process for the remaining clips. Simply copy each image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Google Flow, and generate the images one by one. Once all of your clip images are ready, we'll move on to the next step, turning those images into animated videos. Great, we've completed the first 2 steps, generating the prompts and creating all of our images. Now it's time for the most exciting part, turning those images into smooth, animated videos. Now, go back to ChatGPT and copy the image to video prompt for clip 1. Then, in Google Flow, click the 3 dots on the image you generated for clip 1 and select Animate. Paste the animation prompt into the prompt box. After that, open the Settings menu, select Video, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, and choose a 6-second clip duration. Finally, press Enter. Google Flow will animate your image and generate a smooth video clip for you in just a few moments. Awesome, you did it! If you've made it this far, that means you can definitely create these videos yourself. Now, simply follow the same process to animate the rest of your images one by one. Once all of your clips have been animated, we'll move on to the final step, putting everything together and creating the finished video. Go ahead and convert all of your images into video clips using the same method. Once every clip has been generated, the next step is to download each video one by one. Now, click the 3 dots on each video clip and select Download. When you hover over the download option, you'll see the available resolutions. I recommend downloading the 720p version since it's the original quality. If you prefer a higher resolution, you can also choose the upscaled 1080p version. Repeat the same process for all of your video clips until every clip has been downloaded. After that, we'll combine everything into a complete polished animation. Now, we'll import all of our clips into a video editor, arrange them on the timeline, combine them into one complete video, and get it ready to upload. I'm using CapCut for this tutorial. First, open CapCut and click Create Project. Then, click Import and add all of your video clips in order to the timeline. Once they're on the timeline, trim and adjust each clip however you like so the video flows naturally. After that, add a transition between every clip to make the animation look smoother. Finally, export your video in high resolution and your Stickman animation is ready to upload. Awesome, you did it! Congratulations on creating your very first Stickman animation video. Now, let's talk about how you can make money from these videos. As I mentioned at the beginning of this tutorial, many YouTube channels are earning thousands of dollars every month by uploading simple Stickman animation shorts. The reason is simple. These types of videos have the potential to get a lot of views, and engaging shorts can be recommended widely by YouTube's algorithm. Of course, there's no guarantee of viral success or earnings, but with consistent uploads and quality content, you can build an audience over time and become eligible for monetization. So, don't wait. Create your YouTube channel today, start uploading shorts consistently, keep improving with every video, and who knows, your next viral video could be just around the corner. That's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.